Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to another episode of Math is Fun. And today I have come with one another trick. Though in the past videos, we have been doing the squaring tricks, right? And the last time we did a trick for those numbers which ended with 4. So this one is quite similar. So if you have practiced the one with numbers ending with 4, so this one that I'm going to tell you today, that is numbers that end with 6. It'll be super easy for you because it's almost the same with a slight difference. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the whiteboard. And the title is already there, squaring of numbers that end with 6. The rules to follow are still there. And the three steps are there with a slight twist, slight difference. If I talk about rule 1, that is step 1, you have to find the square of the nearest number ending with 5 is exactly the same as we did with ending with 4. Then find the sum of the given number. Oh, okay, let's talk about the first example that I've given, that is 36 square. So the nearest number ending with 5 will be 35, right? Then finding the sum of the given number, that is 36, and the nearest number ending with 5, that is 35. So we'll add them. And in the third step, we are adding the sum of step 2 and step 1. So it should be not from, but and step 1. And if you remember in the previous video where we were doing the numbers that end with 4, we were actually subtracting. So the only difference is that in the last step, instead of subtracting, we will be adding the two numbers and we'll get the answer. So I hope you got this change. So but still, let's practice it. So uh, as I said, 36. So the square of the nearest number ending with 5, that is 35. And now you must be pretty well versed with squaring of numbers. Those end with 5. So let me write it down. 1225. Because 5 square is 25 and 3 4 the 12. In the second step, we have to find the sum of the given number, that is 36, with the number ending with 5. So I will do 36 plus 35, that makes 71. Okay, let me write it down. Great. And as the last step, I'll be adding 1 to 25 plus 71. For me, if I need to do orally, I will simply add 75. It will make 1300 and I'll subtract 4. So I'll get 1296. That is my way of doing, but you can choose any other way which you feel like. So we have the answer, isn't it? So we can actually do it orally. Let's do it again. Just explain it to you again. I did the square of the nearest number that ends with 5, nearest number to 36, that is 35. So 1225 is the square. Then I added 36 and 35, I got 71. Then I added the two numbers. Simple. Okay, now let's do a slightly bigger number just to give you the confidence and how to do that. So it is 156. So of course, the nearest number ending with 5 will be 155. So what I will be doing, I will say 5 square, that makes it 25, and I will multiply 15 and 16. So I will get 240. Because 16 5 star 80, 16 on the 16 plus 8, 240. And then I will be adding 156 plus 155, right? And what I will get? I will get 311. So the two steps are done. Then I will add 24025 plus 311. And it is super easy. I will add 24336. So, isn't it so easy? Let me explain that to you again. I took the square of the nearest number that ends with 5. So because the near question in the question, the number was 156. So it is 155. I squared it. 5 squared is 25. 15 into 16 is 240. Then I added 156 and 155. I got 311. And the third step, I added the two numbers. That is 24,025 plus 311. And I got 24,336. So now let's get back to our main board. So, wasn't it easy? So, I believe you liked it. And as always, I ask you, please practice. The more you practice, the better it is. And the more math will actually become fun for you, right? So, keep that zeal, keep that momentum. I know you are practicing, but please share it in the comments below also what you liked about this video or what else you would definitely like to see in these. But gradually, we will definitely be increasing the basically the difficulty level. Right now, this is pretty basic, but yes, this is also very, very important, right? So keep watching, keep sharing, keep liking. And if you have still not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can get this immense value. Thank you.